No, it was a very closely guarded raid which was done within a span of 1 hour. I mean, yesterday night I got a confirmation that it is happening, and my team decided that we will raid the premise today itself. And initially, to begin with, only 3 of my office people knew about it. And today we gathered some 2-3 more from the office, and one or a couple of personnel from the local police station, but they did not know where we were going, so it was a totally undercover raid. The information spreads to a number of people. You never know, because Goa is a small place. You never know, just very casually somebody might refer that acha ye information आई है and something might happen. So the person who is involved in illegal activities, they come on guard. So it is not about mistrust or distrust, it is just about making your raid and your action successful. Even though this is a bailable offence, but we have, because it is such a huge kind of a recovery, so we are not going to give them bail from the police station. They can approach the courts, and we will ensure that some amount of police custody is given so that we can explore the network and further conduct investigation as to what all networks are there operating into this gambling activity.
आता मेरेन बारीक सारीक एजंट आणि बुकी मेळटले. आता मटका किंगाक धरला, ताचे कनेक्शन खंय मुंबय मेरेन आसतले.
Local police, we have been emphasizing on them to conduct effective raids. In fact, for a very long time, there was a lull in matka activities, but recently we started getting these inputs that matka is again flourishing. In fact, my office, I received some photographs of matka activities happening on the streets. It is then that we started activating the police station machinery. As a result, in this whole year, 86 cases of matka have been registered in North Goa, but all these cases are like small amounts. So the total amount that has been seized in these 86 cases is around 54,390, and these are small time bookies who are doing it. Now this raid was basically on one of the main middlemen who has been collecting money from 40 bookies and then transporting it to Mumbai somewhere. I mean, the preliminary interrogation that we did, we found out that he has been transferring the collection, a cut, to some people in Mumbai. So definitely this matka thing has a link to other matka operators in Mumbai who are operating at a bigger level.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.